Hello everyone, welcome back to J&B Bites, your go-to spot for allergy-friendly recipes everyone can enjoy. Today we're making a colourful and tasty treat, allergy-friendly coconut ice. This no-bake recipe is simple, delicious and perfect for snacks or gifts. First up, here are the ingredients you'll need. Natural pink food colouring for that beautiful eye-catching colour. A pinch of cream of tartar to give it that perfect set. Vanilla essence to add that lovely warm flavour. Coconut condensed milk, which makes it deliciously creamy and naturally dairy-free. Icing sugar to sweeten things up. Make sure it's allergy-friendly or make it yourself. And finally, fine or regular desiccated coconut to give us that iconic coconut texture. I personally use fine desiccated coconut to support texture input success, as we have a wide range of oral sensory sensitivities. The coconut ice is allergy friendly, it's simple and perfect for anyone avoiding eggs, nuts, gluten, dairy and soy. Now that we have everything ready, let's start baking. Start by sifting together the icing sugar and cream of tartar into a large mixing bowl. Sifting does take time, so be patient. The final result will be lump-free and ready to go. Next, add the desiccated coconut to the bowl. Mix these dry ingredients together until they're fully combined. This sets the base for our coconut ice. Once it's combined, make a well in the center of your coconut mixture. Start by pouring in the vanilla essence and the coconut condensed milk. Gently combine everything with a spoon or spatula until the mixture is fully incorporated into a thick, sticky dough. Now it's time to cut it in half. Take half of your mixture and press it evenly into a lined slice tray. This will form the white base of your coconut ice. Into the remaining half, slowly add your natural pink food colouring. Mix it through until you reach the perfect shade of pink. It's really important that you take the time to incorporate the colour thoroughly, as you don't want any uneven or brighter sections than others. If, after you've fully incorporated it, you want it to be a little bit brighter, just add a little bit more food colouring and take the time to incorporate it effectively. With your uncoloured base layer in the tray, I want you to add small sections of the pink mixture on top. Then, gently press these pink pieces until the entire surface is covered. Then, using a coffee mug without a handle or a glass, press down firmly to create a smooth top layer and to combine the bottom and top layers together. Once this is complete, cover the tray with baking paper and place it in the fridge to set for 1 to 2 hours or overnight for the best results. Once this is set, take it out of the fridge, slice your allergy-friendly coconut ice into squares, triangles, circles, whatever your heart desires. That's all there is to it. A fun, vibrant treat that's great for everyone, no matter their allergies or sensitivities. Thanks for cooking with me today on J&B Bites. If you give this recipe a go, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notifications bell to catch all our delicious allergy-friendly recipes coming twice monthly. Happy snacking!